We're back at Kohl's here at North Hills Village in Ross Township, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Since the last time I was here, they've replaced this elevator. Not even just a modernization, a complete replacement. It's KONE now. They gutted and replaced everything. It's MRL now. It's just like the one at Forest Fair right before they closed. This cab is really nice. It's very tall. This used to be a Schindler MT. I filmed this thing when it was original. Check that out. It's like a lantern. We'll end on the second floor. Door close does not work. It's a MonoSpace something, I don't remember. 2,500 pound capacity. It's MonoSpace something DX. 300, 500, I can't remember. This lantern's a little dirty, but oh well. Oh, the lantern up here works. Nice.